Okay, hi, let's get into it. So, I am now 100% Natasha. And hold in, hold out. Beautiful. So I've got your list of questions here, so we shall have a look, see what the priority is to start working on. We were just chatting about the pH in the tissues, and because everything in the body requires different levels of pH, we sort of need to do something that allows the body to self-correct in each individual area. So what I was thinking was that we could do a balance, and we'll just see if it works. My body has optimal pH within each area of it. My body has optimal pH within each of the tissues. My body has optimal pH, which allows my body to heal. Okay, so let's see what your body says about that. Hold. Hold. That's a no. Hold. That one's okay. Hold. Hold. Okay, so it's not a survival thing, but the adrenals are involved. So perhaps that adrenal thyroid immune pathway. Hold. Yeah, okay. So there goes the inflammation and immune system. Okay. Are there specific infections we need to work on within this balance? Something that we've worked on before? Optimal pH for healing, optimal pH for wellness. Oh, something in here. MRSA's shown up before. It's showing up again at some level today. Let's have a look. And hold. 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 Okay, it's not showing up as current. Let's see if it's affecting organs. Yeah, right. So it's like the residue of the MRSA, so the multi-resistant staph, is messing with both liver and kidneys. So maybe sometimes the body hits a new normal within an organ after a specific infection. So let's check which liver pathways need support. And hold them going back. Hold up, I'm going down. Yeah, okay. Making it harder to deal with fats and proteins. Hold them going back. Hold up. And not optimal dealing with emotional gear. So we can recycle our emotional neuropeptides. The other organ was the kidneys with the MRSA residue. Little leg tests. Hold up. Hold up. Hold. Hold. Yeah, right sided. Energetically, your body wanting to run away. Kidney energy, fear, threat, danger. And just this side. Hold and hold. Lovely. And hold, 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 hold. Interesting. So there's a infection chlamydia that's, once again, this has shown up before, but it's never unlocked the immune system. So the immune system either doesn't recognize it, doesn't see it, or it's a retrovirus that's just been, or it's a stealth infection that's been passed down with the DNA or something like that, or it's hiding in the system. So let me ask about organs in relation to that one. Liver again. This time just liver. Okay, so in relation to the chlamydia infection. Stealth chlamydia. And hold. And hold. Oh, okay. Wow, really? Hold? Yeah, nothing there. Okay, cool. And hold. And hold. I'm not sure exactly why the liver would be involved in pH. Like I know that the kidneys, small intestine and pancreas all make bicarb soda. Maybe... Because the phase 1, phase 2 liver detox pathways are working well. This is the minor pathways of the liver, not... Maybe if the liver's not working properly, we're not making enough bile. Bile works to make the gut, it's more really acidic, so it helps to break down things into those small particles like your fats and things. I suppose it's a lower digestion that will affect your pH anyway. Not sure. There could be the whole emotional liver side of things as well, actually, now that I think about it, because that will be about rage and anger, and when we're stressed and frustrated, you know, that does make us more pH challenged. Okay, liver. And again, hold up. And hold. Beautiful. Now, each time I ask about cancer, because I just want to make sure, but just once again for your peace of mind in relation to cancer and cancer propensity. Hold, 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 hold. And cancer and cancer propensity. Let me just check organs. There's nothing showing in any of the major systems of the body. Just a quick check. Okay. Okay. Candida glabrata. Hold. 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 Liver, kidneys. Right, so once again, Candida glabrata is showing that the immune system has recognised it, but that the residue is messing with the liver and kidneys again. Hold. Hold. Not as bad. Hold. Hold. Might be overworking, or it might be emotional. Wanting to run away, something electrical. Okay, ESR, osmotic chakra, essence, cranial, chickpeas, tuning forks. In relation to the liver alone, or the liver and kidneys, the liver alone here. Okay, so in relation to the liver. And dealing with any and all emotional side effects of Candida, any and all physical side effects of Candida. Okay, for the tuning forks. Liver, coordinate number 1, and kidneys. Yeah, right. So it's a real angry energy that this is still going on, possibly how it started as well. So Elm, it's for people who are really, really strong and eventually just fall apart. So, and it's also about that sense of yourself that when we've got health